Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I just got back from a run, so I'm nice and sweaty, but I wanted to show you this shirt that my son has recently received by Damipow. He said it was an extremely comfortable shirt, and I wanted to try it for myself before I told you about it. And by golly, he was right. It is super comfortable. It is a great workout shirt. So first, it is the most lightweight shirt I have ever worn. It feels like you're not wearing anything, which is really nice when you're running. It also has these tiny little micro holes, and it's a very lightweight material, so you feel like the wind is just blowing through it and keeping you a little bit extra cool. Another nice thing is that it wicks the moisture away, and because it's so lightweight, it dries really fast. So I sweat profusely when I exercise, and so having this shirt, I was really impressed with how dry it stayed, but also how I didn't feel like I was wearing these sweaty clothes. It's also super stretchy, so no matter what kind of movements you're doing, it is a great shirt for that. My son wore it on vacation and he plays basketball in it. We did several activities on vacation and he thought it was very comfortable through all of those. So if you were looking for your next great workout shirt, this one by Damipow definitely gets our recommendation. It is so comfortable, you will love it. But that's just our point of view.